In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix video call not working on Facebook Messenger. So if you're trying to video call someone and if it is not working, there might be various reasons behind it. The first reason might be that you haven't granted the necessary permissions. So for that, open the app library of your device. Find the application for Messenger and long press on it. Now tap on this option App Info. After you do that, you'll be able to access the app info. Tap on this option Permissions that you can see on the screen. Now make sure you've granted the permission for camera and microphone. If you haven't granted that permission, simply tap on those options. After that, make sure to select this option for allow only while using the app. Now after you grant the camera and microphone permission, your problem should be fixed. If the problem still persists, what you can do is simply try clearing the cache. For that, tap on this option Storage and Cache that you can see on the app info interface. Now tap on this option Clear Cache that you can see on the screen. Now once the cache has been cleared, your problem should be fixed. If the video call still does not work, what you can do is simply try force stopping the application for a while. Tap on this option for stop. Now tap on this option OK. Now wait for a while and start the application. Now you should be able to do the video call. If not, what you can do is simply try uninstalling the Messenger application. For that, tap on the uninstall option in the app info interface. Now tap on this option OK. Once you do that, open the Messenger, try doing the video call and your problem should be fixed. If your problem is still not fixed, what you can do is simply try restarting your device. Long press on the power button. Now tap on the option restart and your device will be restarted. Once you do that, the temporary software glitches will be fixed and your problem will also be fixed as well. So that is how you fix video call not working on Facebook Messenger. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.